Since the dawn of time, humans have looked up at the skies. We see the stars, the sun, and moon, and today with our tools we can see even farther into the depths of the universe. Sadly, exploring and studying outer space is no longer a priority for many. Here's why that should change. As technology improves, our knowledge grows to even greater heights. Some of the discoveries of recent years are truly incredible. For example, the Transiting Planets and Planetesimals Small Telescope just aided in discovering a planetary system only 39 light-years away, with at least 7 planets that are similar to Earth in mass and how much light they receive. Or, just this March, scientists at the University of Cambridge discovered that 600 million light-years away, newborn stars are actually forming in the middle of black holes. Or take Planet X, the object of a decades-long quest for a 9th planet in our solar system that was only validated by Caltech researchers a few months ago. The scientific community is on the brink of many amazing discoveries, but they need more funding. For example, a new propulsion engine for spacecraft, known as TILE, uses miniature, dime-sized thrusters instead of the old weighty ones. It has enough power that in about 10 to 15 years, it will be developed enough to take astronauts all the way to Mars. But scientists are also exploring old ideas. In 1915, Einstein published his general theory of relativity. One of the major predictions was the idea of ripples in the fabric of space-time, called gravitational waves. Just 2 years ago, a century after Einstein's prediction, scientists finally found evidence for the waves. However, for the thruster to be developed more fully and for the waves to be studied, the research groups need more funding. Of course, the most well-known group of scientists who study space is NASA, but even they are short on money. During the Apollo moon missions, NASA had 4% of the national budget. Today, they only have 0.5%, even though NASA is working to send astronauts to Mars by 2033. So, how does this tie into church teaching? Well, it does in a few ways. The church considers both stewardship of the universe and appreciating the wonder of God's creation very important. For example, the USCCB has said that we must have a joyful appreciation for the God-given beauty and wonder of nature. And what better way to do this than to study the beautiful world of outer space? Additionally, we must take stewardship of creation, and it is our duty to study God's work. So, how can you help? There are a couple of things you can try. If you're especially interested in funding NASA and helping them get to Mars, then please go to pennyfornasa.org. There you can learn more, sign petitions, and donate. Second, it's very easy to study space yourself. Just look up. Stargazing can be interesting and fun, so next time you're outside at night, take a moment to appreciate the stars.